Before I start this video, I'm going to apologize just in case my mic is not able to remove the mad dogs that are barking because the time is currently 3:08 a.m. in the morning, like midnight. But yeah, let's just get straight to it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steph and I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, if it's the first time seeing this face, don't make your last, kindly subscribe to those good stuff YouTubers ask you guys to do whenever I post a new video. And if it's not first time here, hey loves, thank you so much for coming back to watch a video for me. Truly appreciate and I ride with you. If my energy is low, pardon me. This is midnight. This is past 3 a.m. and I'm struggling to just be consistent this month of July before I finally give up on this channel and you all will have to follow me to the other channel. But yeah, let's just get straight to it. Today's video we are going to talking about why your skin is not improving regardless of the products that you're using. And I know that is one of the most frustrating things in skincare. Doing something, working on something, and you're not seeing any result from it is exhausting, it's tiring. And that's the point I mean with this channel. That's why I want to give it my all this month of July, and after that I quit. Do you get it? So I know that it can be stressful, it can be exhausting to be doing your skincare and you're not seeing any results. We're going to talk about that so that you fix it. Don't give up. In skincare, we don't give up here. You don't have to give up. Giving up is not an option. You might be tired, you might want to rest for a while, but you see coming to the point where you want to give up. No. So let's get straight to it. Now the first is your expectations are crazy. Yes, baby, I said what I said. Can you imagine you are having hyperpigmentation on your skin for months, probably years? Like me, I struggled with hyperpigmentation for years. And then when I'm now trying to cure and treat it, get rid of it, I'm expecting it to leave my skin in 7 days. Trust me, I started skincare like that, using all the products, natural remedy that they talked about, expecting it to perform its magic in 7 days, and I'm not seeing results. I'm frustrated and I'll give up. Exactly. So if your expectations are crazy, you will be frustrated. Your expectations are unrealistic, you will not see results now, because how are you really expecting to see a result in 2 weeks, in 7 days of using a product? Even acne self, that I always used to say acne is easier to treat than hyperpigmentation. There's a level of acne you have, you know that it's going to take like months, 3 months of seeing your dermatologist, 3 months of going to the spa, 3 months of a full whole beauty maintenance, 3 months of beauty treatment for you to actually see a result. I'm not even saying for it to clear completely, for you to see a result. Exactly. So you cannot tell me now that you want your skin concern to be over in 3 weeks, in 2 weeks, in 1 week. Especially all of you that agreed that expect it in 3 days. Those of you, you put a special breed on this on. So your expectations are crazy. It's not realistic. The second one is you're treating the wrong thing, or you're using the wrong product. That's how I'm just going to put it. Now, take for instance, like I said, acne and hyperpigmentation, they go both ways. They come hand in hand. You get it? You have acne, but you're using a hyperpigmentation product. How is it going to work? It's not going to work, right? You have hyperpigmentation and you're using an acne product. How is it going to work? It's not going to work. You just be using products and using product and using product, and you're not seeing any results. You're going to get frustrated. So that is why that expensive product now is not working, because it's not what your skin needs. I always say it, be sure of what your skin needs before you do anything. Make sure that this is what your skin needs at this point in time. That's why I say at this point in time, okay, before you hop on it. Not every dark spot is even the same when it comes to hyperpigmentation. To an extent, we have melasma, we have the one from acne, we have inflammation. So they are not treated the same. They cannot be treated the same. So you have to be sure of what you're suffering from, what your skin concern is, for you to use the right product and treat it correctly. The third one is your skin barrier is damaged. If your skin barrier is damaged, nothing can ever work on your skin until you fix your skin barrier. If your skin barrier is damaged, you're wasting your time with any product that you're using. Nothing will ever work on that skin. It will never work. Trust me, it will never work. I'm going to tell you, it will never work. Repair your skin barrier. That's why most times, even if my client's skin barrier is not damaged, and I like to fix your skin, I want to be sure that we fixed your skin barrier, because I don't know what you have been doing with your skin. So let us fix your skin barrier first before we start any routine. Okay? So your skin barrier is damaged. That's why nothing is working on your skin. That's just it. That's why your skincare product is not working. It's as simple as ABCD. The fourth is you're not consistent, auntie. Mm-hmm. Especially hyperpigmentation. If you're not consistent in treating your hyperpigmentation, nothing for you. Unfortunately, nothing for you. You can never get any result from being inconsistent. If you're not consistent, you will not get any result. In terms of skincare, you will not get any result. You'll be frustrated. You will do like this. You eh? You do today, you don't do tomorrow, you don't do next tomorrow, you do another day. You are wasting your time. You know what? Just dash your skincare product to someone else to use. Seriously, just give it to someone else to use because there's no point. There's no point. Nothing will happen. You will not see any change. So since you have decided not to be consistent, kindly give the product to somebody that will be consistent, and you will see that okay, it's not your product, it's you. It's you that refuse to listen. I refuse to be consistent. The last but not the least is you're using so many active. Slow down. Jesus. If some people tell you the amount of active they're using in their routine like this, you'll be like, your skin like you because your skin is supposed to catch fire by now. Like fire, fire. Your skin is supposed to have caught fire by now. Because what do you mean? You're using all the active that is existing on earth on your skin. Why are you doing that? People think that more is better. If your routine consists of 8 steps, is better. Sometimes all you just need, I keep saying it, is 4 steps, sometimes 2 steps. Legit. Sometimes it takes one product to change your skin game for life. One product. And I pray that everybody gets to use that one product that their skin just needs, and it's going to change their story. But aside that, if you're doing that, that's why your skin is not improving. So if you're doing all of this, your skin can never improve. Trust me, it's not going to improve, and that's the sad truth. But that's the truth. Okay, so all these things I mentioned, just evaluate yourself. If you're doing it, calm down, try your best, do it the right way. Skincare is not supposed to be complicated, it's not supposed to be hard, it's not supposed to be something that is extremely difficult to navigate. It's not. That's why I try my best to break it down the best way people can get it. And to be fair, please, I'm tired. I want to go and sleep. I just want to go and lie down. Oh, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Do what to like, share, subscribe, comment. Please, you guys. I'm giving up on this channel though. I don't tire. I love you guys. And I'll see you next time. This might be the last video I'm shooting for this channel. But probably not the last one I will upload because I have many videos I have to just pack. Just subscribe to my new YouTube channel. At this point, I'm tired. Subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the handle above on the screen. Oh, thank you guys. I love you. Bye.